हेलो चैंपियंस, ये क्वेश्चन 2020 में 9 जनवरी को शिफ्ट सेकंड जेईई मेंस में पूछा गया था। द लेंथ ऑफ पोटेंशियोमीटर वायर इज 1200 centimeter and it carries a current of 60 milliampere for a cell of EMF 5 volt and internal resistance of 20 ohms. The null point on it is found to be at 100 centimeter. The resistance of whole wire is. Here we have to find the resistance of whole wire given EMF 5 volt and current 60 milliampere. Just use Ohm's law. Boom, final answer. Get the final answer. Easy JEE hack. Your time starts. Your time is over. Boom, correct answer is 100 ohms. How it is, I will tell you. The given situation is shown here. This is a battery and this is a variable resistance. This is potentiometer. This whole is potentiometer. This is the length of the wire of the potentiometer, which is 1200 centimeter, and this is the null point at 1000 centimeter, and the resistance of this is 20 ohms and the current is 60 milliampere. At null point, a length of 1000 centimeter balances EMF of 5 volt. This EMF of 5 volt. Potential drops across 1000 centimeter wire is equal to the EMF of 5 volt. Therefore, EMF is equal to L1. This is L1 into X into I. I is this milliampere and converting this milliampere into ampere. So this way 1000 into X into 60 into 10 to the power minus 3, where X is the resistance of the wire per unit length, per unit centimeter. As I told you, X is the resistance per unit centimeter of the potentiometer wire. Therefore, X is equal to this 5 12s are 5 1s are 5 5 12s are this 3 cancel with this 3. So X is equal to 1 upon 12 ohm per centimeter. We have got the resistance of 1 centimeter of wire is 1 upon 12 ohm. Therefore, resistance of 1200 centimeter of wire is equal to L into X. So 1200 into 1 upon 12, which is 100 ohm. Boom, final answer is 100 ohm. Easy JEE hack. Please like, subscribe and share our channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching my scholar.